In this tutorial, I'll show you how to delete ElevenLabs History. By the end, you'll have cleared your ElevenLabs text-to-speech history and permanently removed your previously generated audio files. First, log in at elevenlabs.io. On your browser, go to elevenlabs.io, then click Sign In. Enter your account details and complete any prompts to access your dashboard. Once you're in, you should see the main ElevenLabs interface. Next, go to Text-to-Speech. From the navigation, select Text-to-Speech to open the workspace where you create and manage your audio generations. Now, click the History tab on the right side. Look to the right panel of the Text-to-Speech page for a tab labeled History. Click it to open the list of your previously generated audio files. If you don't see it immediately, scroll slightly so the right side panel is fully visible. From here, click Clear, All History, or Delete All. Depending on the version of the interface you're using, the button may read Clear All History or Delete All. Click that option to start clearing your ElevenLabs history. This will target all entries currently shown in the History panel. Confirm the deletion. A confirmation message will appear to make sure you intend to remove everything. Read it carefully because this action is permanent and cannot be undone. If you're certain you want to delete your history, click Confirm to proceed. If there's a secondary prompt, confirm again to finalize. The removal only takes a moment. All previously generated audio files will be permanently removed. The History panel will refresh and appear empty, with no past clips listed. At this point, the deletion is complete, and there's no way to recover those items from your ElevenLabs text-to-speech history. That's it. You've successfully deleted your ElevenLabs history and cleared all previously generated audio files from the text-to-speech section. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.